what is commercial paper? Just some introductions, and then after that, um, one illustrations to show how to calculate the effective cost in issuing the commercial paper. Commercial paper is one of the component under the short-term financing. Okay, what is a commercial paper? Basically, commercial paper is a money market security issued or sold by large corporations to obtain fund to meet short-term debt obligations. For example, to pay payroll to the staff. And it is backed only by an issuing bank or company promised to pay the face amount on the maturity date specified in the note. Commercial paper is an unsecured promissory note of large financially strong corporations and usually sold at a discount from par value in multiples of 100,000 or more and having an interest rate below the prime rate. It is generally only large firms in excellent financial conditions can issue commercial paper. Maturity varies from 1 day to 9 months with an average of 5 months. The interest rates for commercial paper fluctuate with supply and demand conditions, and the cost of issuing commercial paper is lower than the bank loans, but it can be used only by companies with strong credit ratings. Commercial paper is traded in the money market and is commonly held as a marketable security investment. Okay, these are two samples of the commercial paper documents or the commercial paper certificates. Okay, next is the formula to calculate the effective cost of the issuing the commercial paper. The effective cost or the effective annual rate formula is interest plus other costs divided by the commercial paper value minus the interest and minus other costs times 360 over the commercial paper maturity period. Okay, for example, OCE company use commercial paper regularly to support its needs for short-term financing. The firm plans to sell 100 million in 270-day maturity paper on which it expects to pay discounted interest at a rate of 12% per annum. In addition, OCE expects to incur a cost of 100,000 in dealer placement fee and other expenses in issuing the paper. Calculate the effective cost of the commercial paper. So the answer for this, the effective cost or the effective annual rate is interest plus other expenses divided by amount received times the 360 divided by commercial paper maturity period. So the interest is 12% per annum times the 100 million times 270 over 360 plus the other expenses of 100,000, and then the amount received is the commercial paper value of 100 million minus the interest of 9 million and also minus the other expenses of 100,000 times 360 and divided by 270. So the answer for this example is 13.35. There are several advantages of the commercial paper. Number one, the interest rates are generally lower than the rates on bank loans. Number two, the compensating balance requirement. No minimum balance requirement are associated with commercial paper. In terms of amount of credit, it offers the firm with very large credit needs a single source for all its short-term financing. And number 4 is prestige. When a company qualifies to issue a commercial